Hi there guys, just a quick video to confirm that driving tests will be cancelled on Bank Holiday Monday. That's Monday next week, the 19th of September, to allow people to pay their respects to the late Queen. I know this is a little bit annoying for many because there's so much backlog on tests at the moment. Hopefully you won't be waiting another 6 months to get a new test date, as the DVSA say they're going to contact all customers with an appointment on the 9th of September to hopefully, presumably, provide you with a different test date. But like I say, hopefully it's not 6 months' time. Hopefully it's just a couple of weeks or maybe a month at worst. But yeah, I know it's a bit annoying, but you can kind of understand the situation that, yeah, they want to sort of cancel everything so everyone can pay their respects to the late Queen. And yeah, like I said, just hopefully it's not too much of a longer wait for you to get another test date if your test was on the 19th of September. I assume this also applies to the theory test as well, so it says basically all services, so that would be driving tests, practical driving tests, and theory tests, we'd like to think. But yeah, thanks for watching, and bye for now.